This video covers the differences and specific uses of Augma Lift Kit A and Kit B. Kit A is a universal kit that contains 10 diamond milling burrs from 1 to 10 mm with 4 mm diameter in size. It is used to perform vertical sinus lift from as little as 1 mm bone height. However, when initial bone height is less than 4 mm, we will perform the procedure in 2 stages. As Kit A has 4 mm in diameter, we will place a 5 mm implant. Kit B contains 7 diamond milling burrs from 4 to 10 mm with 2.8 mm diameter in size. It is used when initial bone height is 4 mm or more. 4 mm initial bone height allows to perform vertical sinus lift with implant placement at the same stage. As Kit B is 2.8 mm in diameter, we will place a 3.75 mm or 4.2 mm implant. The optimal kit for your need depends on the scenario. Kit A must be used when initial bone height is less than 4 mm. When initial bone height is 4 mm or more, we can use Kit A when the diameter is sufficient, or Kit B depending on our preferences. Check out the Augma Lift online course for detailed information about the Augma Lift technique and working procedures. We invite you to join the Augma online community on Telegram and WhatsApp to participate or check clinical discussions with hundreds of dentists and bone cement experts from around the globe. Thank you for watching.